Crippling arthritis. Arthritis which cause pain in knee or hip replacement, hip-knee joints is very common. Especially in South India due to the altered BMI and short stature, obese. The arthritis is become very common. It is estimated that the arthritis will become 2 or 3-4 more compared what it was today. And there are many options to treat arthritis. There is line of conservative management where you do physiotherapy and ointment and lifestyle modification, and also we do some additional rehab with pain relief medication, pain relief physiotherapy, and increased technology and improvised pain management techniques. The surgery has become a cakewalk. That's the magical difference many of our patients have got. It is a deserved surgery for the needy people. If the surgery is done on a right person, by a right person, a right doctor, in a right place, with a right rehabilitation, the surgical results will be magical.